not sure you are quite ready for the fashion statement that I'm making with today's outfit. Quite a controversial one actually. Socks and Birkenstocks. How do we feel about this? I know that it feels quite comfortable and it's what my body wanted this morning, so I decided to listen. You should always listen to your body. Today is one of those days when my brain just has not yet switched on, and I'm not confident that it will. I've had a very slow morning. At one point I was walking in and out of the same room with absolutely no idea what I was supposed to be doing. The brain fog is real right now, and I honestly would love nothing more than to sit on the sofa and watch Christmas films and completely shut down my brain for the day. Unfortunately, 10 days before Christmas, that's not really an option because there is so much to do. I really need a day where I just sort my life out, get stuff done, get organised and feel a little bit more on top of things. So that's what I'm going to try and attempt to do today. Not sure if it's the wisest to be doing this when I can barely think and function, but there you go. I need to desperately sort out this room because my chair drobe is out of control. You can't even see the chair right now actually. She's under there somewhere. That needs desperately to be organised, tidied, hung up mostly. This is all coats. This is all coats. I have a problem, and my problem is not being able to choose which coat to wear. Must sort that out today. Also the rail behind me is getting a little bit disorganised, and then I have a rail here. My new in and my most worn rail. My wardrobe space is a little bit cut off and it's not the most easily accessible. So instead I have this rail out, which was supposed to be just a temporary solution, but it's kind of become a bit more permanent than I would like it to be, but it works for me right now. And I just keep all the things that I'm kind of wearing in rotation at the moment on it, anything new in that I get delivered, and as you can see it's just an absolute chaotic mess. There is no semblance of organisation here, hangers everywhere, bags chucked at the end, coats mixed in with jumpers, mixed in with everything. There is no system involved in this, so that is something I want to change today. I'm going to just absolutely blitz this and go through it, pick out what needs to stay and put everything else away. We've also got down here a pile of returns, which I really need to get to the post office soon because I'm guessing the queues are going to be pretty huge, and this is maybe two or three trips, and going to the post office is my least favourite thing. These are mostly returns from things that I bought on Black Friday. I maybe only kept one or two of the bits that I bought, which I guess you would have seen. I kept a couple of the bits from Zara and one or two ASOS things as well. But most of it, as I expected, is going back. So once I get that done, that will be out of the way and cleared. Also need to do an absolute ton of washing and a food shop. And there was one more thing, which is completely escaping me right now. It's probably the most important, and as I get into bed tonight I'll remember it and have a huge panic. Anyway, hopefully it'll come to me. So yeah, life admin, work admin, getting shit done today. Fingers crossed. It's also about to get dark. The sun just decided not to come out, so filming might get a little bit ropey. We'll see how it goes. But I'll try and take you along with me as I'm organising and sorting and tidying, because I know you guys enjoy that. Before I put it away again, I feel like I just have to show you this coat one more time. It needs its moment. So this is the River Island coat that I had on yesterday, and I just think it is perfect. It is so good. I was kind of, well, when I saw it and ordered it, I really liked it, and then when it came and I tried it on, I was a little bit uncertain. And as I was walking through London yesterday with it on, I just kind of fell more and more in love with it, and I'm just sold. It is the perfect cut, colour, details, everything. I love this. This has just become #1 my new favourite coat, and I actually have a little anecdote about it as well from yesterday. So as you guys know, I bought this because it's like an insane dupe for the Ray coat that I've been desperate for ages. And as I was walking through Covent Garden down Floral Street, a woman stopped me and she asked me if it was the Ray coat because she'd been thinking about buying it for ages. And when I told her it was River Island, I think I disappointed her actually, because I think she was looking for an excuse to buy the Ray one, and I didn't give it to her. So yeah, probably one of the best purchases I have made for a really long time. Super happy with it.
Oh, you filming? Oh. There you go.
I just wanted to show you all what I've just been presented with.
Well, you gotta keep your strength up.
Look at that selection. Rich teas, brownies, white chocolate buttons. Don't mind if I do.
It'll be rock solid.
And a cup of tea.
Yeah.
What did I do to deserve you?
I don't know. I'm still trying to work that out.
Nice hairstyle, by the way.
Thank you. Yeah. It's, I need to work on that.
I had to stop to take an editing break because I realised that I had some of that to catch up on, and I kind of got carried away actually doing not what I was supposed to be doing, but getting my food shop done. Normally I order food online, but I think we're going to go out later and get some just because we need it now. Neither of us has gotten around to ordering anything. So what I do normally is I have a note on my phone which is like our grocery list. Please do not confuse this with me being a hyper organized, efficient person. I have to do this because I'm actually the opposite, and I'm so disorganized that if I don't kind of go over the top and above and beyond, things don't end up happening. So what I do is actually I have a list on my notes, and then I have a spreadsheet of the week, and I just go through the spreadsheet and I basically fill in breakfast, lunch and dinner, roughly what I think I want to eat. So it's hard to decide what you want to eat a week in advance, but I find it's the best way to organise myself. That's not my spreadsheet, that is my mince pie madness ratings chart. Does anybody else do a mince pie rating spreadsheet every year? No, just me? Okay. If anybody's interested, Joe and I have decided that of the 7 different varieties of mince pies we've tried so far, the best, which I think is the same as last year actually, by a mile, are the M&S classic mince pies. Can't be beaten, can't go wrong. So yes, I have a spreadsheet. I have Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday sometimes on there, but it's kind of loose because we tend to eat out a little bit more on the weekend. But I put in breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then I will go through my grocery list on my notes, and to make it easier for myself, I have all the regular stuff on there that we normally buy, and I break them down into lists. So I have vegetables, fruit, frozen stuff, fridge stuff, bread, drinks, and then every time we go shopping or I make a list, I just add things to those individual categories and take them off, and then I can untick the things that I need that week, and then the other stuff stays there so I don't forget about it, but it is already ticked off so I don't accidentally buy it. I would show you on my phone, but my camera's having a hard time picking it up. You might be able to see it a little bit better on this one actually, although it's not great. So yeah, shopping list, and then I have the different categories, and when I say need grapefruits or bananas, I will untick them, and then as I'm shopping I'll go through these, take them off, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll go through my spreadsheet, and each individual meal I'll just either untick or type in the ingredients that I need for it, and that is it. That is how I organise my my weekly food shop. I don't know if any of you wanted to know that, but I think it's a super efficient way of doing it. As someone who is very head in the clouds and disorganised most of the time, and will happily walk around a supermarket for hours on end just having a great time. I love food shopping. I think I'm one of the rare people that actually enjoy it, whereas most find it the most tedious chore ever. But yeah, so I'm going to go through and do that. I've added quite a few things. It's kind of harder this time of year because I feel like I'm making a lot less food and we're eating out more, things like food markets and going out for dinner. But it is the last week before Christmas, so I feel like get a good food shop in, and then after that can be the big Christmas shop, which is always the best food shop of the year. That one I happily will be in the supermarket for, and I will have a great time. So I'm going to finish this off. I think then we can head out to the supermarket. Guys, can you believe this is a vegan salmon fillet? I've never seen anything like that before. We found this in Sainsbury's and thought, why not? Let's give it a go. I mean, I've never eaten salmon, I don't think ever in my entire life, actually, but I think it looks pretty good. Got some little potatoes, some green beans, and we also picked up a vegan fish cake too, which looked good. It even has a skin on it. That is so weird. I think it's nori.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, it smells really good. Okay. I don't know what salmon tastes like, so I can't really be the judge of that. But that's not the point, I think, when it comes to fake meats. I kind of just enjoy trying something new, and it tastes really good.
It's like a little bit more dense than actual salmon, because salmon's usually quite flaky, but it's pretty good. It tastes quite similar.
It kind of just tastes like vegan meat with a nori sheet wrapped around it. But I like it, it's good. So I kind of messed up. I spent not a huge portion of the day, but I spent time planning our food shop because I thought we were going to do a big food shop, having completely forgotten that we're actually going away over the weekend. Feeling a little bit deflated that I wasted so much time. It wasn't a lot of time, but just any time wasted at the moment feels frustrating. But I did manage to get quite a bit done in terms of organising my clothes. I don't think I vlogged the other side of the room in the end because I was just in the zone, and I think we all know that when you start that like tidying, organising spree, you're either in or you're out, and if you're in, you're just in and nothing else around you matters. I didn't make myself any lunch. I forgot what time it was, and it's pretty late now. But I did it, and I'm happy. I feel a little bit more calm in that room now, and I have things where I can see them. Oh, and the thing that I had forgotten about was the fact that I have a huge bag of clothes for Depop that I just totally escaped my mind. And I'm wondering now if it's a bit too late to do that because, I mean, it's Christmas in a week or so. Shipping and postage isn't going to be working as best by now, and then, you know, over the Christmas break I'm not going to be sending stuff out, so I probably won't put it up before Christmas. I'll probably put it up after, but let me know what you guys would like to see. I haven't uploaded anything to Depop for ages, so there's quite a bit of stuff to get through. Okay, I'm going to eat my dinner. We are, of course, watching MasterChef, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.